Yun nga. Good evening guys. So the purpose of this video, maiba naman, hindi naman siya BPO, is mag-insurance review tayo. May nagtatanong kasi sa akin sa mga follower ko. This is for you. Una, ito yung tanong niya sa akin. Technically, nagtatanong siya for retirement or para sa educational plan, siguro ng kids niya. Well, technically, insurance also good for that. Pero kung ang iniisip mo, kung kasi tandaan natin ang investments, there is no guarantee sa investment. Alam naman natin na very risky talaga ang investment. Pwedeng mawala yung pera natin instantly, especially yung BUL. But I would recommend naman, based dun sa nakikita ko and experience, I've been with FWD Proud. 3 years na ako sa FWD, and then Bankers Life. I have it Bankers Life Insurance for almost 2 years. So, well, technically, nakita ko naman maganda yung progression ng BUL, ng investment return. Okay naman siya. So, nakikita ko siya na yung concern niya is, pwede ba niyang i-withdraw yung pera? Yes, you can actually take the money anytime sa BUL naman. So, technically, 7% to 15% or pwede din 25% yung returns. So, Manila Banker Lives, kasi ang kinuha ko is 5 years lang ako magbabayad dito. So, ang kinuha ko dito, tawag dito is Money Saver. Kinuha ko dito. So, nakakatatlong years na ako nagbabayad dito. So, yung benefits nito is, isang benefit nito is yung funeral or burial. So, let's say, anything happened to me. So, kompleto na yung package para sa funeral. That's one of the purpose kung bakit ko siya kinuha. So, technically, may tinatawag tayong yearly retreat. So, ang ibig sabihin ng yearly retreat, after bayaran ng 5 years, actually ito 16,000 yung yearly nito. And then, pag nabayaran mo ng 5 years ito, so technically, on the 6th years, meron ka ng tinatawag na yearly retreat. Depending sa nahulog mo, pwede kang dagdagan yung hulog mo. 16,000 is yearly. Depende sa'yo kung gusto mo dagdagan. So, kapag naka 5 years ka na magbayad, so on the 6th years, let's say for example, April ako nag-start, may makukuha kang amount. So, yung amount na makukuha mo, depende. So, I think yung the 6 years, kapag 16 na minimum makukuha mo ay installment schedule mo, you will get, let's say, wait lang schedule of benefits. So, you will be having, on April 2, 2028, so 1,200. Yearly po yun, hindi siya monthly. So, 1,400, 1,600 na malaki. Pero kung malaki yung hulog mo, o dinadagdagan may top up mo, pwede naman yun. Mas malaki. Medyo din tinatawag na major cash benefits, 20,000, which is life insurance, anything happen. Returns of investment on April 2, 2043. Yung sabihin, kung gusto mong i-withdraw yung pera mo on that year, lahat na nauhulog mo, let's say 80,800, makukuha mo naman lahat yun in 5 years. In ilang years din yun, di ba? So, yun po yung tinatawag natin. And then, just to clarify, yes, may expiration. So, life insurance, 2038, and then additional benefit extended to your spouse. So, well, technically, itong Bankers Life Insurance is good sa mga nagsisave. Sa akin, technically, kung gusto ko siyang kuhanin, I will get it naman. Yun yung kagandahan nito. And then, yung sinatawag ko na FWD, that's investment and then insurance then, which is life insurance. Work 1 million yung halaga nito. Let's say, anything happens to you, yung beneficiary makakuha ng 1 million. And then, on other side, kapag buhay pa tayo, in 10 years, ito kasi kinuha ko is set for life. 10 years. So, 10 years ko siyang babayaran. So, after 10 years, pwede kong i-withdraw yung investment. Pero magtira ka din para maging enforce pa rin yung insurance mo. Let's say, for example, may nahulog ka o investment mo almost 1 million. You can actually withdraw all of that in 10 years. Pwede mo naman ding withdraw lang 900,000, 800,000, mag-iwan ka ng 200 para nag-grow pa rin yung insurance mo, yung investment mo. Kasi may binabayaran charges. I'll be honest, there is a charges monthly na binabayaran doon. Yun po yun. Or other side naman, kung gusto mo naman ng instant, which is 7 to 15% in interest, mag-MP2 ka. which is technically the minimum year na pwede kang mag-invest, it's 5 years. Pero hindi mo siya makukuha kagad. So, maturity date is 5 years. So, ako and then Mrs. ko, meron kami niyan, technically. So, 500 lang naman ay inuhulog namin. Pero as of now, nakikita ko naman na kaysa ilagay mo sa bangko na which is point something lang. Ito 7%. Makikita mo talaga yung interest. Let's say, for example, 30,000, pwede siya maging 35,000 in 1 year. Yun guys. I hope I answer your question.